How to zoom in and zoom out on your TradingView on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. There are various ways by which you can zoom in and out on the TradingView's interface. The very first one would be the mouse wheel. You can simply zoom in and zoom out on TradingView charts by using your mouse wheel. Scroll the wheel up to zoom in and out to zoom out. Likewise, the next one would be the keyboard shortcut. For this, in order to zoom in, you have to press Ctrl plus the plus icon on zooming in on the keyboard. Likewise, Ctrl plus minus icon in order to zoom out. Another option would be using the touchpad gestures. You just have to pinch in or spread your fingers on the touchpad to in or out, depending upon the touchpad settings and drivers. Another way out is open your TradingView account and then tap on the three dots which is on the top. After that, you will see different kinds of options. Likewise, you also have the zoom option. Click on the plus button which will increase the zoom in size. Likewise, click on minus in order to reduce it. So this were some of the ways by which you can zoom in and out on TradingView. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.